So this is a quick video to introduce my Houdini Code Explorer tool. What we have here is the GitHub repository. You can either download as a zip from here, or if you use GitHub you can clone the repository in any number of ways as you see here. I've already cloned it, so what we have here is the resultant installed code that you need to do, and what you'll notice here is there is a install Who package executable here. Now to run this you need to run the Houdini Python shell, and to grab that you need to, I'm on a Mac but you can do it on other tools as well. You need to go to, on the Mac you need to go to the version of Houdini you want, the utilities folder, and open the Houdini terminal. If you're on Linux, you can source the Houdini setup bash file and use that. Basically, change to the folder that is holding the executable there, and you just run the install Who package program there. That will use Houdini Python to find the Houdini location. It will generate the package file and the shelf file for you, and then it's all ready to go. One thing to note is that this is the folder that the tool's installed, and Houdini will load it from here. So if you delete this folder, obviously you'll use the tool. If we now go to Houdini, what we'll see here is we need to go up to the shelf tab. We go along there now, you should find you have a new shelf in there. That's my Code Explorer one, and you can see here's the tool. If I quickly open up a scene, so there's a little scene here, what we can do then is we can look at this. If we go to Code Explorer and select and run, what you can see here now is that I can click on any of the nodes in here, and we can see all of the Houdini code that is used to generate that. And what I use this for basically is I can build up a simple network, then I can use that network to build external tools and figure out how to build things up and everything else. You can also see is you can sort of turn things on and off, so creation commands, keyframes, outgoing wires, parameters. So you can turn off the parameters that aren't used. Sometimes it's really useful. Recurse is very useful because it will then traverse down through the rest of the nodes in the hierarchy, so you can see a lot more of what's going on. You also have the ability to go in here and sort of, choose your different nodes, and you can just sort of filter via this way, so you can see other elements there. There is initial support for selecting something, right mouse clicking and getting some notes here. I'm going to work on that in my next one. You've also got the ability to change the font, so you can go in and choose your favorite nerd font, as I use in here, and set the font up. You can search, so you can look for various things like that. You can copy the code, which you can paste into an external editor. You can also export that code to a file and grab it all out. So I hope people find it useful. At the moment, I've tested it on Mac and Linux. I need Windows. I'm not sure of the paths for Windows because I don't have a Windows machine. So if you want to do a PR, or if you've got any other suggestions, just go to the GitHub page and put in some pull requests and things. I hope it's useful for you. I use this in my teaching all the time, so I thought I'd open source it.